Imagine working so hard to assemble a great team and a successful business. You've received outstanding customer ratings and shining client testimonials. Everything is going better than planned, and you're enjoying yourself and you love running your business. One day you open up your team chat and you hear the words, "A customer has just posted a bad review on Google." At first, you might not think this is a big deal, especially when you have so many positive reviews. But hear us out. One negative review can have a serious impact on your entire business. If you didn't know, Google reviews are public, so everyone on the internet will be able to see them. If you don't respond to the first 1-star review, then you might get more. Customers expect you to respond. But you might ask, how can I properly respond to a bad review on Google? Well, this video is going to show you exactly how to do that. The first thing that you have to do is take a step back. Research the negative review. What did the customer write in the review? Did anyone in your team contact them? When did the customer contact your company before they left a negative review? All of these are going to be very important in determining the next step that you take. Once you've gathered all of your research, you're going to have to follow these tips. First, acknowledge the customer. Second, customize your response. Third, apologize. Fourth, solve the problem. And fifth, contact them personally. Let's start with acknowledging the customer. Even though you probably aren't in the mood to say thank you to the person that left a bad review, it's important that you do so. And here's why. First, remember that a negative statement takes as much time to write as a positive statement. Even if you aren't delighted with how the feedback looks, you still need to acknowledge the individual's comment. Second, by thanking the individual that left the negative review, you're showing professionalism and courtesy, and other people who read this review are going to see that. The second thing you should do is customize your response. Don't just refer to the person that left the statement as a customer or a client. Be sure to use your customer's name or initials where possible. The third thing you need to do is apologize. This is unquestionably the hardest but most important step you need to master. If you apologize frequently throughout your response, then you might look unprofessional. On the flip side, if the apology isn't seen or received as sincere, then customers might think that you don't actually value them or their opinion. For instance, you could write something like this. "We're truly sorry to hear that you aren't pleased with our product. We definitely understand your frustration with the slow shipping, and we want to assure you that our team is taking actions to resolve this issue." As you can see, the apology is followed by an action. This is a critical detail that we'll talk about in the next step. Step 4 is to solve the problem. Don't make empty promises. Since you stated that your team is working on the issue, make sure to reinforce your commitment by trying to solve their problem as fast as you possibly can. The last thing is to contact them personally. Not only will this allow you to have better communication with the customer, but it will also help you reach an agreement. You'll be able to use a comment like, "Please go ahead and contact me privately through email or phone if you'd like to go over the entire issue in more detail." Just be sure to include your name, title, and contact information. Now you know how to deal with a 1-star review on Google, but this works on so many other platforms like Facebook, on your own website, or any other third-party platform. Online reviews are extremely crucial for building a successful brand, and the numbers don't lie. Over 89% of shoppers trust reviews as much as personal recommendations. If you want to track and manage all of your reviews in one place, then you should look for a reliable third-party review app. Fera is the best one that you can possibly find online. You can pull your Google reviews and your Facebook reviews and collect reviews right on your website. Fera offers online businesses an easy way to collect, manage, and grow their reviews. If you want to try it on your store, head over to fera.ai, that is Fera.ai, and get started for free.